okuzika Major General Francis Takirwa kwayebemberwa ihe rya UPDF kandi umugenzi Yasiimwa bwo gukorera UPDF no bwesugwa
intwaro mucyakugaka organizinga aberi bazibagenzi banje nareba honorable sima mukama ahabw'amagara tachi abakuba akamukuza ari umwana murungi tiyajya bizubye kuteganisa abazeire yaragaho yakura yahindwa umusheija yahura tati nabo umusheija yayitongora yazomahe. And in the army, in his career there, he really has been very excellent, I think, at his whatever he was doing.
I was so lucky. I saw Dad for a very long time compared to all of this. I talk on the quantum redemption. Yeah. Do you have any bit of humanity? Yeah? I have spent weeks, I asked for my dad like a month ago. At least when you do the
Mukuru w'amahe General Muhozi Kainerugaba yajwecerwa muwezi we Lieutenant General Sam Okding kandi yashoma ubutumwa bwe obwaba burimo kusima umugenzi Takirwa ahubwo ko eihanga no mutima gumwe.
We grew together, we trained together, we fought together. Over the years, Major General Francis Takirwa underwent various and rose through various courses and rose through the ranks, serving in various command and leadership positions in the Uganda People's Defense Forces.
Family, have you heard? We have got it, and God has handed over us that legacy of integrity, of courage, of hard work, working with excellence. Imwana mzirangu agiye fight Rwampara na Lebiona omusheja kakozire akakora karara nakora kasheja nakora ngeno biro kubishire mukamanga King David okuyabere when he had served his purpose in his generation he rested in glory. I can guarantee abokoma ankabera domroko lebenda kabikora.
On behalf of the Uganda Police Force and on my own behalf, I extend our deepest sympathies to the family, the UPDF fraternity, and the country at large.
Iwe omwana n'ogumanya kamuti Yesu Kristo yamugarukamo ati ninye muhanda n'amazima n'amagara karoli kwizalishe bona atarabire murinye.
Major General Francis Takirwa akurire ebitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe omumahega UPDF kandi ogu akabaho n'omudumizi w'enkambi ya kabiri y'amakenke barracks muri Mbarara yabaho n'omujwecerwa w'amahe omwishenjero rya Uganda kandi ahaferire abira ryo muwezi w'omudumizi w'amahe agaruka kurwanira hansi ningashi Deputy Commander of UPDF Land Force. Major General Francis Takirwa akazarwa ibiro mushanjo ku 11 Rwanda nkagana 5 kandi ugwa ferira myaka nkagana gumwe y'ukuru ari kwitondwara ya pressure. Ogu abwa ranka ya Major General ya feraho ihe rya UPDF ya muteremizingi 13 nkakamanyiso ku mehitini sano kumusiburo mbusinje. The Evans taremwa umuraka shari Mbarara.